Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you recognize this cute little activity set from the Dollar Tree haul that we just did. And today we're actually going to open it up and take a look at everything. Can you believe that this licensed LOL OMG activity set was only $1.50 Canadian, which is $1.25 for our American viewers? And look at all the great stuff you get in this. One coloring book, which is here, 3 markers, and look at the colors. These are not your normal markers. Like, you know, normally with activity sets, you get red, yellow, and blue. Well, here you get yellow, pink, and this cute little bluish green, almost like a teal, almost like the LOL color here. And you get 2 sticker sheets. That is quite a bit for $1.50 or $1.25. And right on the cover, right here, there she is, Miss Swag. And I have her as a doll, and I love this little outfit that she comes in. And again, this is actually licensed. This is not a knockoff or like your normal Dollar Tree stuff. Look at MGA, and it's so inexpensive. This would be absolutely perfect. Rainy day, driving in a car, going on a trip. It's just priced low enough that if something happens to it, you don't care. And look at all of the great pictures. Now, this is claiming hours of fun. Honestly, I don't believe it's hours of fun. Maybe, 20 minutes, an hour at the most, not hours. But either way, let's go ahead and get this open. So it is wrapped in this plastic, but you don't need scissors. This is why it would be perfect for in the car. No scissors needed. Pull and slide. And now, this is new. Everything is stuck to the cardboard backing. I have never seen that. Usually the stuff usually everything just falls right out. We are going to have to peel it off. So, can you hear that? Listen. Little ASMR for you too. Look at that. That was, it's a strip. Can you see it? If I hold it right, can you see it? There is a strip of glue holding that booklet on. Let's do that again. Whoop, sorry, shaky camera. So that is like 2A tape. I guess everything is going to be held on. That's actually really good because there's no damage to the book. Oh my gosh. Okay, we got to go through the pages. Too cute, guys. That is just too cute. Okay, now we have the markers. Ooh, you know what? Oh, do you see the big gob of glue? Ew, that is not AMSR. Look at this. Oh, what if I stick it there? That is super sticky. Ew. And it's stuck right there. Okay, well, I mean, if you're in a car, a plane, or a train, you won't lose them. They're stuck, so there's a positive. Now let's get our stickers, and they are going to be... Oh, can you see it right there? Look at that. Oh, that is not pretty. That's the tape. Look. Oh, it came off the book. So nice. Oh, now it's pulling the tape from the book. Okay. Ew, that one is... Okay, we're done with that. That one was messy. And then the same thing. I mean, it's stuck. All right, let's just get the stickers open. We're going to ignore the strip of tape and just use the pull tab. I want to see if they are both the same set of stickers because I love stickers. And they're actually different. Okay, look at this. Different dolls, lips, stars, hearts, cameras. This one actually says LOL surprise. And then over here, oh, I have this doll as well. This is Groovy. And she is super cute because when you make her cold, you put her in the fridge. I put her in the freezer. She turns really cool blue and her hair is so soft. And there's my swag doll. There's, I guess, a cell phone, more lips, the traditional cup that they all come with. That is so cute. So there's your 2 sticker sheets. And now we have the markers. I got to get them out of this sticky. This is not good. Now, these are not great markers. They are cheap. But what do you want for $1.50, $1.25? Such cute colors. Now, most importantly, let's check out this activity book and test out these markers. I mean, I'm happy with the colors. I am. But look at the skin tones. Why do we never get a skin tone marker? You know how Crayola has those skin tone markers and crayons? They should partner with Crayola and give us some of those, because look at all the different skin tones that the LOL dolls have, and that is what makes them so amazing. I don't want to color them blue or pink. I mean, none of the outfits can even be colored with these. So that's a bit disappointing, but let's go through this book. Color activity book. So we do have some activities. That's a word scramble, coloring. Look at these pages. These are thin pages. So when that background over here with everything stuck to it, look at that. It showed all these loose pages. I thought they were going to be loose pages. I think I did another one of these that was LOL quite some time ago. And it was LOL surprise, and all the pages came out. They don't come out. It's attached. So we have LOLs. Oh, there are activities. Make the link. Oh, look. Glow, BB, glow. There is swag. You can try, what does this say? Use your fashionista skills to complete Roller Chick's outfit. Oh, that's cute. And a maze. Okay, we have to do the maze. But do I want to do the maze? 2 mazes. Okay. All right, let's start with the maze. Oh, look at this. Oh, double take. Okay, there is a lot to do. Let's pick a marker. What should we start with? I'm going to move the stickers. Let's start with pink. And we're just going to start with, should we start coloring? Or should we start? Let's start coloring. Oh, that's a nice pink, huh? Right now I'm trying to decide, do I like these better with crayons or markers? Because is the marker going to go through to the other page? You don't have to worry about that with crayons. Oh, it does. It's going to ruin your maze. Oh, so maybe you don't want to use markers with these. Oh, no. Because no matter what you do, you're going to end up pressing hard and coloring over. Well, that's a little, oh, okay. But not all is lost. They are coloring nice. Look at that. Listen to the marker. It's a nice bright yellow. Let's try this cool turquoisey blue. Let's see. Oh, let's do the N. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful color. I just went right over the line there. But it's catching on the page. You know when you color with marker? But I mean, I don't think if you have little ones, they're going to care. Let's see if we can mix them. We might ruin the marker, but let's try. I'm going to color the C and then put the yellow over top. So let's do some pink. Oh, goodness, I just went right out of the line. It's very hard to color and look at the camera, so excuse my poor coloring. And now, red and yellow mixed together, or pink and yellow. Let's see, should turn it orange. And I mean, I guess that's kind of orange. Oh my. All right, let's do this green, which is, close to a blue with the pink, and maybe we can make a purplish color. So again, let's just color in with the pink first. So maybe you want to bring, if you're going to buy this for a road trip, maybe bring some crayons or some pencil crayons, colored pencils, something other than these markers. I think these markers would run out before you get the book done. And I mean, who wants to be limited? So let's try. No. This did not make a cool purple. Did make a cool color though. But it's going to go right through the page. Look at the back page. Ready? I mean, it is a pretty cool color. Oh, there's our maze. It's okay. It's okay. Now, where you would put these stickers in here, I mean, I don't know. I guess when she's done, you could put like this. Oh, no, her hand is facing the wrong way. I don't know. Well, maybe here you could put, okay. So if we take the sticker, okay, do we see that? Be very careful when you peel them because maybe this isn't so good for little ones. Look at the sticker's not even peeling off. Okay, you see that? Be very, very careful with the sticker. Maybe we put it like in her hand like that once you've colored it. I don't know what else you would do with the stickers, guys. So as a review, I mean, you get some pretty cool stuff. It is cheap. It is fun. Would you use this as a road trip tool? Would you give this to your kids? Rainy day? Oh my goodness, if you're doing an LOL birthday party, these would be perfect little loot bags or treat bags to give to the kids that come because it's already in a little package. Okay, that's it. Won me over. That's what I would use these for. You make sure you tell me in the comments, what would you use these for? Have you used these? Lots of things to think about. That's it for today, though, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next week.